Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful, most gracious, and the source of all knowledge. My name is Engineer Zainul Abidin, and I would like to warm welcome to all of you by saying the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our today's lecture, we will learn about energy. What is the energy? Energy is actually the ability of a body or ability of a human being or ability of a machine or ability of anything in this world to do work. Okay, in our previous lecture we have learned something about the work. As you can see, there were two necessary conditions for the work done. There must be an application of force, and due to application of this force there must be a distance traveled. Okay, these are the two main things. Firstly, there must be an application of force, and secondly, there must be a covering of distance. So if both of these things are happening, then there will be energy in that specific matter. Okay, so according to the definition, the capacity or the ability of a body to do work is called energy. So this is the common definition. There are different forms of energy that are available in table 6.1 at page number 83. You should learn all these types. Okay, I'm repeating it again in table 6.1 and page 83. So two of them has been discussed in our notes. First of all, we have kinetic energy. So according to the definition of kinetic energy, the energy of a body by the virtue of its motion, or in other words, or in simple words, you can say the energy of a body due to motion of an object is commonly known as kinetic energy. It is denoted by EK and its formula is 1/2 mv square. Okay, here EK is showing the kinetic energy, m is showing the mass, and v is showing the velocity. The second kind is potential energy. The potential energy of a body is actually due to the position of an object, or you can say the change in the position of an object. There are so many examples of potential energy in our daily life. For example, we use commonly we say go and get the elastic from the shop. It is actually word elastic. So elastic is actually the type of potential energy. We use springs in our daily life, so spring is an example of potential energy. So according to the definition of potential energy, the energy of a body possessed by the change in its position is called potential energy. The energy of a body possessed by the change in its position is called potential energy. For example, the object at a height has the potential energy. Okay, object having the elasticity like elastic and the springs is commonly known as it has potential energy. There are lots of different forms of energy, and in specifically there are lots of forms of potential energy. Suppose we are given with the gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. So the formula for the potential energy EP is equal to FH, and in our previous lectures of weight and mass we have discussed W is equal to mg. Therefore we have written here m is actually showing you mass, and we have written the formula for the potential energy is equal to mgh, where m is showing you mass, g is the gravitational acceleration, h is the height, and ep is the potential energy. Okay, that is enough for our today's lecture. If you have any kind of question regarding today's lecture or regarding any form of energy, you can ask. I'm there for you. Thank you very much.